I was explaining to you, okay? You use vulgar. You use vulgar language in city council. It was taken offense to, and you're being placed in custody for disorderly conduct.
Who took offense to it?
Okay.
It's protected free speech.
Yeah, I'd like to put a complaint in on the
I'm explaining to you, okay?
It's protected free speech.
Retaliatory arrest.
Hill versus the city of Houston.
Would you like to hand over your camera, or do you want us to hold on to it? I don't want you to drop it or anything.
They're arresting me.
For what?
Disorderly conduct.
All right, so we're here in LaPorte, Texas. They're arresting David for disorderly conduct.
He's going to hand you over his camera. So
that's fine. I'll take it.
No, I'm going to keep it with me.
You're going to keep all of it with you?
Hold on. So, no, not all of it.
So why are you guys arresting him for disorderly conduct? I don't understand what's going on.
I'm giving my body camera and stuff here.
Did he hurt your feelings that bad, Chief, by saying the department, like talking about the department like that? Did it hurt your feelings that bad? You stepped out, told the corporal, hey, my feelings are hurt. Let's arrest David. This makes
watch his cord.
Get John, take my Mustang home, okay?
All right.
He handed you the keys?
I got his key.
Okay.
Retaliation. Retaliation.
That's okay. This time, I'm going to sue. I let you guys off last time. I'm not letting you off.
This is unbelievable.
All right. Do me a favor. Can you just...
I do my hands are full. I can't.
I understand. I don't want you to drop anything. That's
yeah,
what I'm
I just want to make sure he's okay.
He's gonna be fine.
Oh, can I get my mask?
What is it you need?
What's he need?
Did I give him my mask?
Oh, here.
You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I don't need it in here. Just when I get to jail.
Actually, because it's close quarters.
Go ahead.
I don't want you to turn your head. There you go.
Now do you understand?
Okay. You good?
This is exactly what I'm talking about. You guys know better.
There you go. All right. Go ahead, transport him.
Yes, sir.
And we'll get the prosecution agreement. Okay.
Who's the arresting officer?
He's gonna be the arresting officer. Okay.
Okay.
We're doing what we were told. Okay.
Who told you to arrest him?
All right.
Well, I'm trying to figure out who's the complaint.
I've got to get back in there. Okay.